Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video. It is the Walmart latest in lips. This box I found at my local Walmart over the weekend. It was $9.88 and it was such a steal. I had to jump at it. I had seen it online previously, but it was not available for pickup yet at my store. But then finally they got it and I got my hands on it. I am so excited. They came out with so many variations of this box that, I mean, there's just so many to choose from. After this, you'll have to go and check it out because they have some great values for these boxes. And the one I was definitely drawn to the most was this lip kit. It contains 6 lip products in which are a variation of different nudes. And nudes are something in which is a staple in everybody's collection. And I am actually lacking in that department from the drugstore. I do have some favorite nude products, but they are mainly high-end and they can be very pricey. So it is definitely good to get some more affordable options like this. And I think you guys can notice that there is definitely a trend on my channel. I love unboxings like this, and I love value boxes. I think it is so much more worth it if you are able to pick something up like this than buy an individual item that's like 10 bucks and then you buy a couple different items. I mean, this way you are able to test out multiple of them at the same time and kind of figure out which formula you like and which one works best for you with the colors and everything like that. But let's jump into this one right now. So here we have it. You have the 6 products and it looks like 5 out of the 6 are full size. The L'Oreal Infallible Matte right here is going to be a deluxe kind of trial size. The first product I have is the e.l.f. Lip Scrub in Brown Sugar. It retails for $3. And what's funny is I actually already own one of these. I have the Mint Maniac that I had found at TJ Maxx a while ago. I absolutely love this product. I think it's really great for if you just want to, do a quick lip scrub before you apply any of your lip products. It's really easy to do. Oh, this smells really nice. It's supposed to be infused with vitamin E, shea butter, avocado, grape, and jojoba oils. So just really great for nourishing the lips as you scrub them. I think it's a really good product. Already know I love it. Which actually, I think I'm gonna start and use this before I get into doing the swatches of the other ones. I plan to do lip swatches of all of the lip products. So you're just gonna take your little applicator, just start going around. The initial layer is definitely more of the creamier products. You kind of have to go around a little bit to be able to get to the sugar scrub part. But once you do, you really feel it. And then just kind of work it in using either your lips kind of rubbing them together or taking your fingertip. Just doing this. And then just wiping it off. And it doesn't taste bad in case you happen to get some in your mouth. It's kind of inevitable if you're doing the lip scrub. And then afterwards, your lips just feel so smooth and ready for lip application. The next product in the box is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in Adorable. And here we have a super quick swatch of it. So it's supposed to be a liquid to matte lipstick featuring saturated formula that dries soft and velvety. It's supposed to give you fuller looking lips and it's gonna last for 16 hours. So that's a long time, or at least so they say. Here it is on my lips. It looks really beautiful and it smelled really good as I was applying it. It kind of smells like candy almost. Has a very good scent to it. It's kind of like a vanilla scent to it. I'm gonna give it a second to see how it dries down. It definitely went on very liquidy, so we're gonna see how it feels after just a minute of drying down. This product I was not able to find on Walmart's website whatsoever. You could only buy them in like a pack of 6. Seems like they're pretty much sold out. I think it's normally around $7.97, but when I was looking online here, it said that you can find this exact product at Target for $5.99. So in case you're planning to pick up just maybe one of these items, depending on how it looks, do a little bit of research, see where you can find the best price. Alright, so fully dried down, I want to let you guys know that this is definitely a drying liquid lip formula, so if you are not into that, you may not appreciate this one that much. It's not an uncomfortable feeling where you're just going to feel like the life sucked out of your lips, but you do see that it is very dry and you can kind of see the cracks in your lips. So that's the only thing about this liquid lip to keep in mind. Other than that, it's a very beautiful color. I'm really enjoying this one. So wipe it off and move on to the next. Then we have the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in Statement Nude. And here is what a swatch of it looks like. It almost looks like the Milani, to be quite honest. This, of course, is a trial size. The full-size product is a lot larger than this, and it retails for $7.99 for the full one of this. I don't have a price for this one since it is kind of a sample. It does say on it, sample, not for resale, so there you have it. But it is supposed to be a matte gloss, which is going to give you the matte look without giving you the dry out feeling of a liquid lip. And here we have this one swatched out. It is not shiny on the lips whatsoever. It is definitely very matte, but it is also very creamy. It does not feel drying or sticky. It feels very comfortable. I like it. I quite enjoy this formula. It also smells like candy, and now these last two, I'm just thinking like I need candy. Definitely a good variation. You're getting inside of the box, you're getting liquid lip, you're getting glosses, and I think there's more gloss and then plumping ones, so good variation. Fourth up, I have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color in Dreamer. Here is a swatch of this one, and this is definitely way more of a pink than a nude. I believe this is supposed to be a liquid lip formula as well, and it's supposed to be super long lasting, and it's supposed to give you that 16-hour wear. It has the little doe foot applicator that has the little hole in the middle. Here is what Dreamer looks like. This is a full-size product, and it does retail for $7. I was expecting it to look a lot more Barbie pink than what it actually is. The color on the outside kind of throws me off, and normally I would not pick this one up just because it looks so Barbie, but it's actually not that bad on the lips. It looks very nice. It's kind of subtle. It's not too in your face when it comes to a pink. I'm going to give it a minute to dry down. As it's drying down, it does feel a little bit sticky on the lips, so we're going to see how that pans out. It has now fully dried down, and the super stickiness went away. There's still a little bit of a tackiness, but nothing too bad where your lips are just kind of melting together. So let's move on to the next one. Then there is the Hard Candy Plumping Lipped Serum Lip Gloss in Sugar Sugar. And here it is swatched. It doesn't look like it has a lot of pigment, but it does look like it is very light. This is another full-size item. It retails for $6, and it is supposed to have plumping benefits where it's supposed to make your lips look a lot fuller. And of course, it is going to be a gloss, so it's not going to dry down. It's not going to be matte. And it also says something very interesting on their website. It says that if you use it twice a week for 1 month, you are supposed to see long-term plumping benefits. I don't know how true that is, but let's apply it. Woo! And here is what this color looks like. I already feel it starting to tingle, and the tingling on the lips is nothing which is unbearable. I'm sure it's going to fade in just a couple of minutes, but so far, you know, you feel it on your lips, and it's just a little tingling. It's nothing that's going to be like serious, like, oh my god, it hurts. Personally, I don't know how big of a fan I am of this shade. It's very light, so I'm kind of on the fence how I feel about it. This may be one in which I'm going to give to my sister-in-law. This could work really nice on her. She's also been looking for glosses. Personally, I'm not a huge gloss fan. I feel like they fade so easily, and I hate the stickiness of it, but, you know, to each their own. Some people love glosses, some people love liquid lips. It just depends on your preference. And lastly, we have the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Nude Honey. This product is another full size, and it retails for $7.97 on Walmart's website. It says it's formulated with Volleylip. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but it says that's the ingredient they use to visibly enhance your lips over time, giving you fuller and softer looking lips. So let's go ahead and apply it. So of course this is going to be another Plumping lip gloss. And here's what Nude Honey looks like on the lips. One thing I will say is that I'm not the biggest fan of this applicator. I like that the other ones were a wand. This one is just the tube. There's nothing on top and you just squeeze out the product like that. And it does get kind of messy. So I'm just gonna have to go in and wipe that off because otherwise I feel like it's just gonna leave that stickiness there because you just plop the little cap back on and then that's it. So it's like... And one last thing, as I was going, I was swatching each product and I'm going to show you guys a close-up so you can see the difference between all of the shades at once. So here we have the Milani in Adorable, the L'Oreal in Statement Nude, Maybelline in Dreamer, Hard Candy in Sugar Sugar, and the Revlon in Nude Honey here at the end. So you can see there's definitely some variation in the color. It's not all the same types of nudes. And then of course you had the lip scrub in which I could not leave a swatch on my arm because, you know, it's a lip scrub. So all in all, I think this is a great box. I think that is absolutely amazing for Walmart to do this. It makes me really excited. I think you get a really good value and you are able to test out a lot of different products at once. The standout for me was definitely the Maybelline in Dreamer and the Milani in Adorable. These are just my preference in formula, but they had some great variation of glosses and plumpers and the lip scrub. I would 100% recommend you guys going and checking out this box if you are in the market for some new nudes or if you just think it looks like a great box. Definitely check it out. Check out all the other boxes as well. And if there was one of them that you wanted to see me review, just leave me a comment with that down below. But that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!